Okay guys, it's night, okay, in Esteban, Saskatchewan, Canada, okay? No other people in the place because it's 9 o'clock past. And guys, this is my ultimate favorite restaurant in Esteban, the Boston Pizza. Yes, every salary, every pre-weekend or after church, I'm going here. Yes, that's the place to be. With the jambalaya order with my friend's African guy. And this is the building, as you can see, is the apartment. Okay? If you buy a beer at night, this is ice factory. There's a lotto and you buy anything else there, wine, brandy, whiskey, or you can order there in the restaurant. Okay, there's a billiard inside, same thing in the Boston Pizza. I always there. Okay, even at night you can play a slot machine there. There's a machine for token, billiard, restaurant, bar. Okay, that's a life in Esteban every weekend. See, if you want to register your vehicle, of course, the nearest. Instead, you go to the main at 4th Street or 5th Street. This nearest. Okay, the hub. Insurance broken consultants. Okay. If you want oil changing, of course, I always there. The Canadian oil change. Okay. Some other guys, that's my friend there. We can take free coffee, iced tea. They offer you for free as long you have a purchase some oils changing. Okay. With free tire pressure. Okay. And that is $3. $3 and Pride Up. The Blackbird. Okay. Blackbird and Ice Pack. That's one of the place here in Esteban, Canada. Okay. Okay. That's it, my friend. Hope you enjoy this video. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.